back when Operation Aurora happened in 2010?
Yes, I do.
And at that time, we suddenly saw a lot of scrutiny on source code management systems. How safe is your source code? If something evil gets put in source code, it could really affect a lot of people. And I think this is today's blind spot when it comes to our technology supply chain. Instead of it just being the security of source code repos, it's the security of the tools that we use.
Yeah.
And I don't think there's a whole lot of regulation or scrutiny on AI code development software.
Well,
it's like, okay, if a developer wants to use it, fine. You may not even know. A lot of developers have extensive control over their own systems and can install random security, random tools. Like the company, or if you code in your organization, or if you have a third party doing it, you may not even know if a developer has stalled a tool that could be used in a malicious way.
Yeah, I mean, think about it like browser add-ons used to be. I mean, we used to talk about those being a huge risk, and they absolutely still are at this point. But now we're talking about it with development environments like Visual Studio Code. If a developer wants to, install an add-on that goes into VS Code, do you have controls that can stop them from doing that? And in a lot of cases, the answer is no.
Well, and I think this is scary for all of us because, number one, maybe some of you do development in-house, in which case you could potentially control this issue. But all of us are using software developed by third parties.
Yes.
And so we have to make sure that they are carefully controlling the tools that their developers use. And then, as you mentioned, we are also dependent on things like open source libraries. Log4j, anybody?
God.
And what tools are those developers using? Thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is Sherry Davidoff.
And I'm Matt Duran. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining, and we'll see you next time.